Hello from City Hall. Well, apparently my video is going to be dead. If I could get possibly a clerk, the screen is quiet. Well, Mr. President, victims of the cabal, my name is Christopher Dahl and I live at 6th and Howard, currently 14 meters and 10 blocks from sea level. I rise to comment on San Francisco pedestrians. We, the pedestrian, are a perishable lot. A couple more of us were bumped off a bumper, that is, a car bumper, and killed. One of them was part of the City Hall family, and the scene of the tragedy out front is among the screwiest pedestrian crossings in our city. Still, with care, it is manageable by drivers and pedestrians, but some drivers don't actually care. As you see from my video, they don't care enough to stay within the bounds of the law. They don't care enough to wait their turn. They don't have to care because no one is paying attention. There's no one on a motorcycle sitting waiting to summon bad drivers before a judge. There is no consequence for this high-risk behavior. There's no consequence until there is high-damage behavior, until there is damage or injury or death. Your response has been something called Vision Zero, your dream of zero pedestrian deaths. When I hear this phrase, I immediately think of zero vision, as in blindness, as in the driver's blindness to the risks they put others to, as in your blindness to the facts of our daily lives. And when I hear this phrase, I see imagination zero, foresight zero, and action zero. Thank you, Mr. President.